So earlier we have done modals, regular and irregular. Today we have to go with new verb, which is trennbaren verben. After we learning this verb, we can start letter writing. Okay. Trennbaren verben, and we call it also separable verb. Separable verbs. Like we have some verbs we want to use with some sentences. Like if I want to say, I invite Peter on my birthday. Okay. So for invite, do you know which is the verb for to invite? We have the verb to invite, which is einladen. Okay. To invite. So how we conjugate that particular verb? This is prefix of the verb ein, and laden is the main verb stem. Okay, verb stem we can say. Ein is prefix and laden is verb, main verb. Okay, so this is we have to conjugate, and ein will come at the end. This is the rule of Trennbaren verb. That's a we call, they are separable verbs. They will go separate. Okay. Now I have to say this. Firstly, let me tell you the rule for this. Subject plus Trennbaren conjugation. Okay. Trennbaren means apart this prefix. You will find all the Trennbaren with some prefix. Sometime mit, sometime an, sometime ein, sometime surup, anything. Okay. So you have to go with the previous. You have to conjugate Trennbaren at this place. You have to use this, then object, then other thing, adverbs, anything else you can add, and then at the end you have to put this prefix. In will come here. Like also we can say prefix will come at that. We call it prefix. Amenda. Amenda at the end. Okay. So how we can frame this sentence now? I invite Peter, and this will conjugate same how we use it, how we conjugating last earlier in the regular and irregular. Now, same way we have to conjugate those. Okay. Ish lada. Okay. Einladen and only einladen we have to conjugate. Ish lada Peter on mein Geburtstag. It is not completed. Ein. Now it is completed. Otherwise, we have words like laden. Laden separately is the verb to load something. Okay. Means if you go with Ich lade Peter am mein Geburtstag only. Okay. What does it mean then? I load Peter on my birthday. Okay. So that's why we have to put the ending, the prefix at the end. Einladen, together it is to invite, separately it is to load something. Okay, so that's why without any prefix we not consider as complete sentence. So I'm sending you the sheet with complete 20 Trennbaren we have to learn in A1 level. Okay, then I will give you one by one each verb, one example. Okay, this is the rule, this is the structure you have to use. Subject, Trennbaren, object, adverbs, prefix, amenda. Okay. Let me ask you, there is some verb such unrufen. Unrufen is to call. Okay. Unrufen is to call. So Ajay, let's try. If I want to say, I call my mother on weekends, how we can frame a sentence?
Ma'am, ish and rufen.
No. Only rufen we have to conjugate. An is prefix. Prefix last में. Rufen, einladen, anfangen. We will find every verb like this. Okay.
Ich rufe.
Ich rufe.
Ich rufe meine Mutter am Wochenende.
Is it completed?
An.
Okay. Now we consider this is completed sentence. Okay. Ich rufe meine Mutter am Wochenende an. Okay. There is another verb also. I will send you all 20. Einkaufen. Einkaufen is to shop. To shop, shopping. Okay. To buy is something different. If you go with only kaufen, that is something you are buying. And if you go with shopping word, then you have to use einkaufen. Okay. Gautam, you have to try this. Tina, let's go with Ish first. I shop for my family on Sunday. Or I do shopping, or I shop. Okay. How we can frame this?
Ma'am, meaning of shop, ma'am.
This is einkaufen is to shop, to shopping.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the verb.
Ich kaufe meine Familien
Für meine Family.
für meine Family. Am Sonntag.
Am Sonntag.
An.
Yeah. Without prefix, we can't consider it as completed sentence or correct sentence. Now it is completed. Otherwise, what it makes sense or what does it mean if we are not putting ein? I buy for my family on Sunday. What thing? This is incomplete, no? If you go with ein, like now it is I shop for my family on Sunday. I'm doing shopping for my family on Sunday. Like this we can consider. We have many words. Give me a minute, I'm sending you. Quickly you have to write down. Then I'll give you some example and then you have to make some 5 or 10 sentences. I hope you are getting this. We will get all the Trennbaren with these kind of prefix. An, ein, mit. Okay. Aus, auf, su, and zurück. Okay, sometimes. Give me a minute.
Oh, ma'am. If suppose the sentence could have been I shop vegetables for my family on Sunday. So then we this ein will depend if vegetable is masculine or feminine or neutral, or this ein will only be ein only.
This ein is ein only. We are not using before the noun. This is verb and this is prefix. Okay. This remain ein only. Yes, it could be the question. Give me a minute. Ho sakta hai, nice question too. It will remain same. Okay. So please check in group. Okay, 7:30. These are our 20 verbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All except these 20, I will send you some more, but it's up to you how much or how many you able to learn in even. Okay. Okay, there are uncommon to arrive. Let me show you on the screen. Then I'll give you one example. And please note down those once in your notebook. Similarly, we have to conjugate the verbs which are given. एक minute. So these are, we have einladen, to invite, anrufen, to call, uncommon, to arrive, okay, uncommon, anrufen, to call, einladen, to invite, umziehen, to shift, to move on, okay, anfangen, if you start car, if you start class, if you start business, everything we can use with anfangen, okay. Abholen, okay, abholens, to pick up a person. Einsammeln is to collect something, okay. Mit common, you will find all the prefix are here, Anna. Ein, an, ab, mit, zurück, an, so, okay. Einsammeln, mit common, to come along. Mitbringen, to bring along. Mitnehmen, to take along. Zurückgeben, to give back. Zurückkommen, to come back. And whenever you put zurück with any other verb, it means to back, come back, give back, dance back, bounce back, many more things we can use with zurück. Okay. Anmachen, to open, anmachen. Okay, einmachen also we use for the open. To close, and this is we use for simply if you are opening gate, door, okay, then only we can use this. Einschalten, ausschalten, this is switch on, switch off computer, electronic devices, okay. Aussteigen, exit, aussteigen, enter, umsteigen, to change. These three verbs we use only with bus, train, something, okay, like get off, okay, exit bhi hai, this is also get off, please write down here. To exit, to get off, to enter, to get on, okay, also get in we can say, okay. Chadna, utarna, okay, we can use aussteigen, einsteigen, to get in, get off, also umsteigen, to change, okay, I changed the bus, we can use this verb. So these we have to use, and they are very, very important because in once we start writing letter, these will help us to prove our letter vocab and अच्छा और बनेगा later. Okay.
Ma'am, these words and all we should use only for particular like no situation. What you said, the bus like to open gate or something door. Only for this particular situation.
Yes, means something we rarely use this aussteigen, einsteigen. Means we use only once with the bus most of the time. If we are talking about journey, I take train, I get in the train, I get off to the bus. Like we use only there. But these verbs we use day to day life. Okay, there is no such situation, but still we are using more than anywhere else. We use with that bus, train, and etc. Yeah. And this is einschalten, ausschalten. This is something electronic device you can use with. Anmachen, sumachen, you cannot say open the computer. We always say no, switch on the computer. So that's the thing. You can use this. Surugeben. And there is one more thing. Please put this umlaut in here. Okay, by mistake I have given here. Only the previous you have the umlaut and not the first one. Okay. Suryuk, we can say. Suryuk. Mitnehmen, mitbringen. Okay, let me give you one example. Please open this with you so that I can give you some examples. Also later on you have to write, we need to conjugate these only. Okay, we need to conjugate these only, and these are prefix. These are prefix, they will come at the end of any particular sentence. Okay, let's start some sentences. There is another one, Sihan. Okay, Sihan. And you also need to try. Jatin, if there is a word, there's a sentence. Tina shifting to new city. How we can say this? Tina is shifting to new city. Then
Tina
is the name.
Zihan.
Zeet.
Okay. Zeet. Noi.
Also, we can use in noi or su noi. We can go with noi start. Is it completed? Oh, okay. We have to go with this. Good. Next we have, and this time Manju, you have to make this. If there is a sentence abholan, okay, abholan, to pick up a person. Okay. Pick. I pick you from your house. Okay. We can only make present in present sentences. We can't say in the past. We can't use any future tense in even. Okay. I pick you from your house. Manju, try.
Yeah. Ich holen.
Ich hole dish.
Ich hole. Ma'am, holen?
Holen will conjugate, no?
Okay, okay. We have to conjugate, no, ma'am?
Yes, all the verbs will conjugate with particular subject. Ich hole dish.
Own dein Haus.
Is it completed?
Ich hole dich own dein Haus. Dich.
Ab, no? Ab will come.
Ab.
Okay. We have to mention this. Otherwise, this is something else. Okay.
Ma'am,
Holen
here,
is
why
something-
you use dish, ma'am?
Dish is you personal pronoun. Okay. This is something personal pronoun. We have to do this topic too. Why we use dish and not do? Because do, ish, do, as yes, beer, ears, easy. They are subjects we are using when they are doing something. Okay, we conjugate with them the particular words, and here you is not doing anything, right? Ish is doing something. So first, at the first time, if we are using particular subject, then we can go with ish, do, as yes, beer, ears, easy. Otherwise we use personal pronoun. Okay, we will learn this too. Okay, ish become mish. Okay, if I say now, please you pick me, mish to banega. You pick I also, yeah, you and I, me banega. You pick me from my house. We have to go with do here. Okay, do holst mish. Okay, do holst mish, because they are not doing anything. We are just using those subjects. They are not doing anything. Okay, and the second time, if we are using some particular subjects, then we can go with the personal pronoun. Okay.
Ma'am, so this applies only for this type of sentence, ma'am?
Yes. And we have sometimes used dish, and we have two types of personal pronoun. Dish also, sometimes we use dear also, but it has some rules. Okay, once we start that particular topic, then only I will tell you the difference. Okay.
Okay.
अभी इसी पे रहते हैं.
मैम योर का हम लोग ने देन कैसे वो किया?
डाइन
डाइन, या सॉरी.
बताया था. डू का डाइन होता है एंड फॉर्मल यू का ईयर होता है. कैपिटल ई. ठीक है. योर है possessive article. Okay. This is you, your informal. This is you, your formal. तुम तुम्हारा, आप आपका. Okay. Clear? And dine house, why? Your house, house is neutral. If we are using house, masculine, feminine, anything feminine होता तो diner, वो होता तो accusative, then dinen masculine होता तो, है ना? We have to change accordingly. It will affect. I told you ना about mine. Mine का एक example दिया था. Mine possessive article. उसी में है ये dine. And we have two types of your. Clear?
Ma'am, while speaking, how to keep these things in our mind, ma'am? Actually,
it will take some practice, है ना? It will take time to. No worries, we will do it. Okay. In starting, they seems like very difficult, but once you learn it, these are very easy. No worries. Okay. Okay. Next we have another one. एक second. Okay. Then we have वो बोला हो गया einsammeln. ठीक है. Einsammeln. That is to collect something. Gautam, you have to make this. My father collects post stamps. Yeah, Gautam.
Mein Vater sammelt
Sammelt
Briefmarke ein.
Perfect. Okay, good. Then we have next, and today I will tell you also imperative sentences, how we frame those, because we have to do with please close the door, please open the mobile, please switch on the phone. I know how we can say such imperative sentences. Okay, next we have mit common. Ashwin, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, to come along. Tina comes along with two friends.
Tina
From mit
along mit zwei Fronden mit.
Perfect. Okay, this mit is along and this mit is with. Okay, also let me clear this. Let me clear this only. Who we have next? Sushant, you have to make this one. Mit bringen, to bring along. Okay, to bring along. I bring along coffee with cookies. Sushant, try.
Ma'am, ish, bring,
Bringer.
yes, ma'am. Bring, coffee,
Cafe.
cafe, met, cookies. What do you say,
Very
cookies? Eggs, met.
Met. Okay. Ish,
Yes.
bringer, cafe, met, cax, met. Okay. If we go with plural, kexo, we can use. Okay. And kexo, we have to say. Okay. Then we have mit, neman. Who else can speak next? Again, let's start with Ajay. Everybody done? Okay. Mitnehmen. I take along my ID with me always. Ajay, try karo. I will help you. No worries.
इश इश नेह
Ishnemo.
हाँ इश नेम
Mine.
ID
Ausweis.
Ausweis mit
Mir.
okay mit mir mit
Immer.
अच्छा, immer mit
And doesn't matter if you are using 2 times mit, okay? And sometimes in not here but in A2 we have use mit at the time 2 times together. It will come and it is considered correct. Okay, no worries about that. We can use many times. So I take along because one is along and one is with. Okay. Next we have zurückgeben. You have to try, Gautam. Zurückgeben. Tina gives back my German book. Gautam, try.
Tina gibt mein Deutsch Buch zurück.
Tina, gift. Gebens change into gift. Mein Deutsch book zurück. Okay. So like this, we have to frame sentences. Let me give you 5 sentences. You have to make all. Okay. You have to make all. But first we start from open, close, switch on, switch off. Let me give you this. We have to frame sentences with imperative sentences. What is imperative sentences? Once we want to give suggestions, we give commands, we ask for request for help. So we directly go with, please do this for me. Please, can you please do this for me? Please do this. We can go with usually please. So there is one thing in German. If I want to go, I think I have already told you this. So we just simply use Sie, formal you with any other verb. Okay. Like I want to ask, bitte, please give me book. Bitte, geben Sie mir book. And it doesn't mean that you are saying, you please give me book. It simply means, please give me book. Okay. Why? Because Z is something imperative sentence we have to mention. Just simply we have to mention. And also you can find in book, everywhere it is written, bitte ergänzen Sie, bitte kreuzen Sie, bitte ausfüllen Sie. है ना? That means something imperative, they are requesting to do this. Okay, like Hindi, if you know, please ये भरिए, ये कीजिए, ये करिए, है ना? Like this we have to say. So bitte geben Sie mir book. Okay, like bitte kochen Sie mir Essen. Essen means food. Please cook me food. Okay. Bitte sagen Sie mir etwas. Please tell me something. Okay. So we have to go with like this. Imperative sentences are like this only. And if you are now going with imperative sentences with Trennbaren, like anmachen, sumachen. Okay. There are two verbs. Let's go with anmachen. Anmachen is to open. You're requesting to somebody, please open the door. Or we simply make, I open the door, ich mache die Tür an. Okay, we make that sentence. But if you want to request somebody, how will you frame the sentence? Ashwin, try karo. Please open the door. How we can say this in Trennbaren?
Bitte
Often. Anmachen, we have the verb, no?
Bitte machen Sie die Tür
an.
an.
No? If you put on, then only it will consider you asking to open. Otherwise, it is something, please do the door. Right? Okay. Let me give you some. And later on, please write down every single example in book so that it will helps you to while revision. Okay. Sumakan is something to close. Jatin, please close the window.
Bitte machen die Tür zu.
Okay, we have to mention Z.
Sie, okay. Sie die Tür.
Fenster. Okay, window, fenster. And is it completed?
Zu.
Su. Okay. Bitte machen Sie die Fenster zu. Okay. Das Fenster basically. Fenster is neutral. So bitte machen Sie das Fenster zu. Please close the window. Okay. Now, Manju, you have to say, please switch on the computer. How we can say this?
Bitte schalten Sie computer.
Also, we can go with den computer.
Den Computer ein.
Good. And Sushant, if I want to say, please switch off the light, then
Bitte schalten die light.
Check list. List article check. Check करो, आप ही बताओगे मुझे. बेटे शाल्टन जी dash list.
Das, ma'am.
Das Licht aus.
Yes.
Okay, means you want to say please switch off the light, then you have to say this sentence. Bitte schalten Sie das Licht aus. Okay, aus, off, ein, on. And you can make your own way to learn. Ana, on, ein, aus, off. Ana? Once I was student, when I was student, still I'm still student. Okay, so I usually use my own pattern to learn something. Okay, I find out, I looking for the similar words, how I can make some story with the sentences, how we can learn. I learn preposition in a story, in a song. Okay, I learn everything in my own way. Okay, that's my self-study style, can say, and the way, the trick. Okay, and you have your own one, na? How you can understand and how you make understand yourself, na? That is, you have to find out. Okay, and try to find out at least. Okay, now I'm giving you 5 sentences, so that now you have to make send me, and I will check the spellings as well and how you are framing those sentences. Then we'll go for same sentences, Trennbaren, indirect question, direct question, plus how we frame Trennbaren plus modal verb together. Okay, many more things we have to do with Trennbaren. Okay, firstly, simply we have to frame normal sentences, then we'll go for other. Please write down. You have all the verbs, you will find out from there. Any other word you need, I will tell you. I call my father every day. My German class starts at 7 o'clock. They are shifting to new house. Tina and Karan are inviting me. Inviting me, you can go with Mish. Okay, for me. And let me take another. Please open the fridge door. I think and I hope you have learned what is fridge. We have done a house vocab. There is fridge, refrigerator. So door is same tune. क्या है? What is fridge?
Cool shrine.
Good. Cool shrine. Okay. Please do these sentences and send me. I need to check and send you back if there are some mistakes. I will check here. Please start doing. Any word you need translation, can ask.